Hi and welcome to Rajshri Food. This is Nupur and today we are going to make a very special summer drink that's called the Aam Panna. Now the Aam Panna is loved of course for its taste, but there's a very special reason why Aam Panna is made in summers. If you have a glass of this drink and step out in the summer heat, you're surely protected against dehydration and heat stroke. So let's not waste any further time and begin. So we're going to take 2 raw mangoes and put them on the tawa. The mangoes need to be roasted till they are charred. Aam Panna is best made with the raw Rajapuri variety of mango, but if you are not able to get that, then you can use any other kacha mango. Now let's check on the mangoes. We want them to be nicely charred from both the sides. Nicely done from both sides. Now let's set them aside for cooling. Make a few cuts in the mango. You can also choose to boil the mangoes if you like, but I personally feel that roasting gives it a very rich flavor. Also lends a mild smoky flavor to the mango drink, which I absolutely love. I have taken 3/4 of a teaspoon of hing here. We're just going to lightly roast it. It's turned slightly brownish and now it's done. Let's take out all the pulp nicely. Let's scrape the skin nicely. So this is where we're going to get our charred flavor from. Now let's put the pulp in the mixer. To this we'll add our roasted hing, around a tablespoon of jeera powder and black salt. Now remember, this is a concentrate, so you'll need a little more salt here. I will add some water and churn it. So now let's complete our Khatta Aam Panna drink. We'll take some ice. Add our concentrate. Remember, this is not like a sharbat, so the consistency will be somewhere between a sharbat and a smoothie. Add some water and mix it nicely. And our Khatta Aam Panna is ready. Now we are going to do 2 more variations of the Aam Panna, which is the sweet Aam Panna and the minty Aam Panna. Now traditionally, this recipe has always been made by using gur, but somehow nowadays people are using sugar, which takes away a lot of the health benefit of this recipe. So let's begin by melting the gur. So here I've taken around 3 tablespoons of water and I'm going to let it heat because we need to melt our gur. Now your gur should be equal to the quantity of your pulp. So I have around 2 cups of pulp, so I'll be taking 2 cups of gur here. The water has come to a boil and I'm going to be adding the jaggery into it. The gur has nicely melted, so we'll close the gas now and add this syrup to our base pulp. Mix it nicely. Now let's assemble the sweet Aam Panna. Take some ice. Let's add the concentrate. And now some water. Now the sweet Aam Panna is also ready. Now let's move on to the minty Aam Panna. Now for our last variation, I'm going to take some of our sweetened pulp and blend it with some mint leaves. We'll add some water and churn it. If you want, you can save the concentrate for a longer time. It will last in the fridge for around a week. It will last in the freezer for more than a month. The minty one would last only 2 days because it's got fresh mint in it. Now let's take some ice. Let's add our concentrate. Add some water and give it a good mix. And with this, the third variation, the minty aam panna, my favorite one, is also ready. So I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Do try these and let us know your feedback. For more such healthy recipes, subscribe to Rajshri Food. Till then, cook right and stay healthy.